So welcome to this video. I'm going to see how you can deal with this error on Amazon KDP. Error of this service or feature you are trying to use is currently unavailable. So I'm going to see how we can fix it in this video. So let's tag along. This is the next place. So we click save and continue from here. So you can fix the error. Yeah, to fix it, we just go and you switch over. Get if you have a VPN. This is VPN. Just put it on. In this case, Winscribe for PC. Put your VPN. As you can see, it's not on. VPN is not on. So we're now going to attempt to open. So I'm going to try to continue the process to see whether the VPN take hold. So we scroll through the upload once again. See that the VPN has actually allowed us to continue the process of uploading our paperback book on Amazon KDP. So scroll, click save and continue again. Initially there was an error prompt. You can see save and continue. So that's the process done. Try it again to open the file. To continue, to click save and continue. You can see after it. So that's how you can fix when you have Amazon KDP error such as this.